Hey, it's Jordan here from smartPhone, coming at you with a little update to close out Q1 2020, and it's an update I'm hugely excited about. There's a couple things we're going to be launching that I know everybody is really going to enjoy. Okay, let's talk about our first feature we're launching this quarter, and that is an upgraded inbox. Those of you who may be part of our beta testing will have seen it already, but we're going to be launching a completely new inbox experience into the web app, and we're doing this for a couple reasons. Number one, of course, it's to make it easier to manage. It's going to make it easier for your staff who use smartphone, particularly those who may be VAs and don't really get involved in Podio, to manage the SMSs and voicemails. The second reason we've done it is there's a lot of underlying hierarchy and architecture we've had to redevelop in order to make a better user experience, not just here, but for the mobile apps. Now, when we take a look at the new inbox, you can see one key thing, and that is SMSs are now no longer simply line items, but they are threaded conversations. Just like you'd expect on your normal mobile phone, you're going to be able to see and interact with text messages on a back and forth basis. It is a true conversation. That is a real game changer for our web app. The same is true for our voicemails. It's just a lot easier to manage them and see what's going on. Now, by itself, this is a fantastic upgrade, but I'm really excited at what this means for our mobile apps, and that's what I'm about to talk to you about in update number 2 and 3. The next big update I have for you is a whopper, and it's something I know all of our users have been clamoring for, and that is version 2.0 of our iOS app. Since we launched it, we've had fantastic feedback from all of our users, but we've also been gathering information on what's missing and how we could improve it, and we think version 2.0 is going to address all of those and be a fantastic app. So, first thing we did is we've redesigned a bit of the user interface just to make it a bit easier to find your way around the app. You'll notice at the bottom you'll see 4 icons: recent calls, dialer, inbox, and settings. Of course, recent calls and settings are it's pretty much self-explanatory what those two mean, but the dialer and inbox have had a big upgrade. So first of all, the dialer, it's going to be easier to understand whether you're searching your existing contacts, i.e. the Podio contacts that we bring into smartphone for you, or where you're just using the dialer to input manually a number. It's going to be a lot easier to figure out how to go and just simply make a phone call. Now, the second really big one, of course, is the inbox. And just like I told you in the last update, the threaded conversation is coming to our iOS app, and this is huge. It means full inbound, outbound SMS texting with your customers. It means it's going to be very easy for anyone to take their iOS app on the road with them and have text message conversation, see messages that come in and send them back. You see them as a full conversation. Finally, of course, there's the voicemail. We're bringing that into the iOS app as well. And that means that wherever you are, when you're on the road, you can simply use your smartphone iOS app to listen to any of the new voicemails you've had and clear them off to know that you've listened to them. It's going to be a fantastic upgrade to what's already a great mobile app experience, and I am excited into bringing it to you. Right, our third really big update for this quarter 2020 is, of course, something that a lot of people have been waiting for, and that is our Android app. We are going to be bringing out the live public beta of the Android app this quarter in the coming weeks, and I'm very excited by it. Now, I say live beta, it's because, of course, with a new platform, there are different things we've got to think about, but we're very confident that the work we've done on the iOS app is going to translate to Android and make for a much more seamless transition from beta to full app. Now, the great thing about, of course, waiting this long for the Android app means you benefit from everything we've learned from the iOS app. That means that we're bringing the same functionality in version 2 to the Android app. The full inbox, the redesigned user interface, and of course the voicemails. Very excited by this. I know it's something that people are really looking forward to, and I can't wait to get it into everybody's hands. We really do want your feedback on this, so if you're using the app, please do send us feedback. Let us know if something's not working the way you want it to, so that we can quickly get our developers on it and get the app into full live status. But everyone's going to be able to have access to the public beta. That is going to be a fantastic thing that we're launching this quarter. Okay, there you have it. 3 fantastic upgrades we're launching to close out this first quarter of 2020. I'm hugely excited by them, and I know that everybody on the smartphone user workspace will be excited as well. Please do remember, we're constantly working to develop smartphones, smart dialer, and our mobile apps, and we depend on your feedback. Please reach out to us on the smartphone user workspace and let us know what type of functionality you want to have in smartphone. It's your opportunity to build the phone system of your dreams. Finally, I'd really love it if you guys can head over to our Facebook group and give us a like, give us a share, give us a rating. It really does help to increase our exposure, and the more people who get involved in smartphone, the more we can develop it and build the best phone system out there on the planet. As always, happy phoning, and thanks for being a customer.